Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome to my channel. Today what I'm doing is I got my second entry, and it's almost over, but it's okay. I got my second entry from Bohemian Llama, and it's for my giveaway slash challenge. I'm not sure exactly what you call it. I think that's what you call it. But anyway, look at what she has sent to me. Look, here's her information. You definitely, whoops, I don't know if you can see it. I'll zoom in on this. You definitely want to go check out her channel, Bohemian Llama, and her name is Jackie. Look at this gorgeous card. She's a very talented crafter. I'm going to try to zoom in on most of this here when I edit. It's a beautiful card. It's got a jingly bell that she made. Look at that. It's so pretty, and nice note inside. Like I said, her name is Jackie from Bohemian Llama. It's so pretty. I just love it. So she did put some cute little Christmas decorations on the outside. And these were little, beautiful little cut pieces that were inside the bag. And let's see, where do I begin? Let's start right here. And she put it in this beautiful ribbon. Look at that ribbon. So I'm not going to like untie the ribbon. I'm just going to pull the little bag out. And this is her Memodex card. It is gorgeous. It's Christmas themed. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Ah, I just love it. Look how pretty. And look at that bag. And she made a topper for it with the little twine and the pretty red bow and the paper. And she's got the cut on the paper that's like holly. I love that. So pretty. So here is this elegant looking Christmas. Look at that. I mean, she even textured right here where she made the snow, and look at the gold. Look how beautiful that is. I cannot wait to zoom this in because I want you to see how gorgeous this is. It's got some holly, and look at this beautiful die cut, pretty gold snowflakes. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Poinsettias with best wishes for a Merry Christmas. And the back is, she's got a side pocket, which is lovely. I've never thought of doing that. I don't know why. Of course, I haven't been doing it too long, but man, this is just gorgeous. I am so in love with it. Look at this cute little Christmas tree she tied in there. Oh my goodness. And this is a little tag that she put her info on. With her information she likes and so forth. And then she, she tells about herself and her colors, and aw, so very nice. So that's an adorable tag with her information on it, and it's just an absolutely gorgeous card. It's just so beautiful. Jackie, I can't say enough. It's beautiful. I love it. And then here would be the extra, crafty item. She did the same thing. She put it in this wide, beautiful ribbon. Made an absolutely gorgeous topper for the bag. And decorated it with these pretty gold stars. And she had the pretty die cut here. And look at those. Oh my goodness. Let me get this open. Look at this. Now in the note, oh, that's what she meant. You could actually take them apart or leave them together, however you want to do it. Because you could leave it like this. Look at this. It's gorgeous. There's a die cut Merry Christmas. Look at that cute reindeer. It looks like wood. And the pretty hollies. Oh my god, it's just so beautiful. The ribbons, the green and red ribbons. Oh my goodness. See, you could use it like this. like this, or you can leave this on it. And this is one side or the other, which you could probably use it either way. But this is basically a beautiful rosette that she made, which is so pretty. But like she said, you can take it off or leave it on. And it's beautiful. It's like having 4 pieces between the 2 of them. You got 2 and 2. Isn't that gorgeous? It's just so beautiful. I love it. I just so love it. Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. So pretty. It means so much to me to have beautiful Christmas items. And here's the other one. It's just as beautiful. It's got the gold. It is so pretty. Look at that pretty gold flower. And the gold, like little, you know, I can't think, little gold berries and stuff. It's so beautiful. And another gorgeous rosette. And it's got a bell. See? Right there. You can hear it. It's so beautiful. I love these. Look at that. She's amazing. Made it up so beautiful. Just so very beautiful. And with this one you could do it either way. Here's the rosette. So you could use this separately and use this however you wanted to do it. Together, separate. It's just so beautiful. I wouldn't want to take them apart. I just love them. I like it this way too, but I mean, it's just so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Oh, Jackie, I just don't know what to say. Everything is gorgeous. It's just breathtaking. And here we've got another big ribbon. I think this is a prize. Surprise, not a prize. This is a surprise. And I did peek at it, and oh my goodness, I will say. Look at this beautiful piece. And it is just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I don't know if you can see that. I don't even want to take it out of the bag, but I will. And another decorative bag with some decorative topper. But look at this. It's like a keychain, but I wouldn't use it as one. It's just so gorgeous. It would be more, oh my gosh, I don't even know. I could use it as I could use it in so many ways. It's just so beautiful. Look at it. Look at the rose and the beads and all the little different beautiful laces and materials. Look at all those different, the eyelash. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. It's just beautiful. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty, Jackie. It is just amazingly beautiful. It's just beautiful. I'm in awe with all of it. It is so gorgeous. It is beautiful, hon. It's just beautiful. I really, I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. I just love it all so much, hon. Jackie, thank you from the bottom of my heart. It means so much to me. So please, everyone, check out, I'm going to put this in my memory decks box. It's my second one, besides my own. I bought in there. But we're going to put this in the memory decks box, and I don't even know, I don't have a Christmas tree, so I think what I'm going to do is I might use it for, I'm not sure what I'm going to use it yet for. I might put it on little doorknobs or whatever, but they're gorgeous. I love them. And this is just so, I mean, everything, Jackie, is gorgeous. Thank you. So everybody, please check out our channel, Bohemian Llama. I'm going to try to zoom in on this one for you. And thank you again. And there's only a few days left. 16th or 17th is, I think, is what I gotta have everything by. If anybody else wants to do any type of, you know, if anybody else wants to join, that would be lovely. I would so appreciate it. But, you know, I totally understand. It's a busy time of year. I've been so busy. I've been sick for over a week and trying to do the yard sale. I haven't been able to keep up on everybody's videos in the last couple weeks, but I apologize for that. I'm planning on getting back to it. So everybody have a great night and a happy holiday, and we'll see you real soon, and hopefully I'll be putting up a new one tomorrow or the next day. So God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye.